Good morning, children. Let's continue our chapter body movement. So our next topic is next part of the skeletal system is girdles. So children, there are two girdles in our body. Okay, what they are? Pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. So pectoral girdle and pelvic girdles. So girdles are attached to the backbone and give support to the bones of the limbs. Okay, limbs means forelimbs and hind limbs. So children, girdles, they are attached to the backbone. Okay, and they give support to the bones of the limbs. ये limbs की bone को क्या कर देते हैं? Support देते हैं. Now pectoral girdle. This is the pectoral girdle, children. So pectoral girdle, it is also called shoulder bone. Pectoral girdle is also called shoulder bone. Okay, this is pectoral girdle. It supports the bones of the arms and is joined to the collarbone. So pectoral girdle, it supports the bones of the arms, okay, and joined to the collarbone. Collarbone is present here. It helps in movement of the shoulder and arms. So pectoral girdle, it helps in the movement of shoulder and arms. Now pelvic girdle, it is also called the hip bone. Okay, it is pelvic girdle is also called the hip bone, and it is made up of three bones, 1, 2 and 3. So it is made up of three bones, they fuse together. The leg bones are attached to it. The leg bones, they are attached to the pelvic girdle, and it forms a bowl-like structure. Okay, it forms a bowl-like structure on which the body rests and is used to sit. And it is the strongest part of our body. Okay, this is the strongest part of our body. Then upper limb. Children, this is upper limb. The upper arms has a single bone called humerus. Children, this is the upper arm. The upper arm has a single bone called humerus. This is called humerus. And this is joined to the pectoral girdle. Here this is joined to the pectoral girdle. At the elbow, okay, ये elbow है. At the elbow, humerus join two bones, radius and ulna. Okay, at the elbow पे क्या होता है? There is a joint. Okay, the humerus join two bones. They are called radius and ulna. Ulna of lower arm. Wrist is made up. This is wrist. Wrist is made up of small bones called carpals. Okay, the hand join the wrist and is made up of many small bones. Then lower limbs. Lower limb, children. The thigh bone or femur is the longest bone of our body. So children, this is the thigh bone. Okay, this is the thigh bone. Okay, and this is the longest bone of our body, femur, and is joined to the pelvic girdle on one end. Joined to the pelvic girdle on one end, at the knee on the other end. At the knee, it is joined with two bones named tibia and fibula. Okay, the knee contains, ये जो knee है, the knee contains a disc-like structures, that is a disc-shaped kneecap or patella. The ankle join the leg to the bones of the foot. Now movement and muscles. So children, the muscles, they are attached to the bone, okay, and they helps in movement. So we have learnt about bones and joints. So what makes the bones move? So just like the skeletal system, our body has another system called the muscular system. Okay, skeletal system की तरह हमारी body में क्या होता है? Muscular system भी होता है, which consists of muscles which are joined to the bones by tendons. So muscular system which consists of muscles and they are joined to the bones. ये जो होती है muscles, ये बोन से जॉइन होती है. द मसल्स दे आर जॉइन टू द बोन्स बाय टेंडन्स. ओके, द मसल्स कवर द एंटायर स्केलेटन. जो मसल्स होती है, दे कवर द एंटायर स्केलेटल सिस्टम एंड कॉज मूवमेंट एट जॉइंट्स बाय कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग एंड एक्सपेंडिंग. ओके, मसल्स दे कवर द एंटायर स्केलेटन एंड कॉज द मूवमेंट एट जॉइंट्स बाय कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग एंड बाय एक्सपेंडिंग. So muscles, they work in pairs for the movement of bone. Okay, for the movement of bone, the muscles, they work in pair. So when one of the muscles contract, the bone is pulled in it direction and the other muscle relaxes. Or next, the relaxed muscles contract and pulls the bone back to its original position while the first muscle relaxes. So children, the muscles, they work in pair. Then movement in animals. All animals do not have bones. Okay, so animals can be grouped into two categories on the basis of the presence of backbone. ठीक है, all animals, they do not have bones, so animals are classified into two categories, invertebrates and vertebrates. So invertebrate means those animals in which a backbone is not present are called invertebrate. So invertebrate means animals, they do not have a backbone, like earthworm, cockroaches, etc. So they are invertebrate. Invertebrates means animals in which a backbone is not present. Then vertebrates, the animals having a backbone are called vertebrates. So animals having a backbone, जिनके पास backbone होती है, they are called vertebrates. For example, snake, cat, dog, man, fish. So they all are vertebrates. They have a backbone. Okay, so those animals in which a backbone is not present are called invertebrates, and vertebrate means having a backbone. Now locomotion, vertebrates. Okay, the manner of movement is also called gait of animals. Okay, locomotion in earthworm. So earthworm, children, earthworm is invertebrate. Okay, so how it move from one place to another. So to understand the movement of earthworm, let us first know about its body. So the body of earthworm is made up of many rings joined together called segments. Okay, the body of earthworm, it is made up of many rings and they join together called, this is called segments. Okay, जो earthworm की जो body होती है वो क्या होती है? Having many rings, they join together and form segments. The earthworm does not have any bone. Okay, earthworm does not have any bone, but its body secrete a slimy substance which keep its body moist. अर्थवॉर्म के पास बोन नहीं होती है, उसके बॉडी में कोई बोन नहीं होती है, लेकिन उसकी बॉडी क्या करती है? एक स्लीमी सब्सटेंस को सिक्रीट करती है. जब वो मूवमेंट करता है तो उससे पहले वो एक स्लीमी सब्सटेंस को सिक्रीट करता है, जिसकी वजह से उसकी बॉडी क्या हो जाती है? मॉइस्ट. प्रोटेक्ट इट एंड ऑल्सो हेल्प इन मूवमेंट. So its body have a large number of tiny hair, black like bristles called setae, seat, under in which help in gripping the ground and pushing its body ahead. Okay, तो setae, setae, चलिए इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन अभी चेक करेंगे. ठीक है, are joined to the muscles. So they join to the muscles and they secrete a slimy substance. So children, the diagram is given, the muscular motion in earthworm. How the earthworm moves. So while moving, an earthworm extends muscles of its segment. So when earthworm moves, earthworms extend, the muscles of earthworm extends, okay, which move ahead and grip the ground. Then the segment following its contract and pull the rest of the body ahead. And while expansion, it also lifts its body up from the ground. So thus earthworm moves by contraction and expansion of its muscles, which may take place at more than one place in its body at any given time. So earthworm moves by contraction and expansion of its muscles, okay, which may take place at more than one place in its body at any given time. So when earthworm moves inside the soil, it eats the soil and makes way of itself. Okay, so when earthworm moves inside the soil, it eats the soil and make way of itself. It then throw out the undigested part of soil. Okay, then after it throws out the undigested part of soil, and this helps the undigested part. Okay, this helps in softening the soil and helps the plant to grow well. ओके जो वो निकालता है अनडाइजेस्टेड पार्ट निकालता है सॉइल का, वो कैसा होता है? इट इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड हेल्प्स द प्लांट टू ग्रो वेल. नाउ लोकोमोशन इन स्नेल. तो स्नेल आर फेमस फॉर देयर स्लो मूवमेंट. स्नेल दे आर फेमस फॉर देयर स्लो मूवमेंट. ओके, snail have a protective shell on their back. Okay, this is the protective shell of the snail on their back. So when in danger they hide their whole body inside their shell. जब इनको कोई डेंजर, जब इनको कोई खतरा दिखता है तो अपनी पूरी बॉडी को किसके अंदर डाल देता है? शेल के अंदर. तो शेल क्या करती है? उनको प्रोटेक्ट, शेल उसको क्या करती है? प्रोटेक्ट करती है. The shell is actually the exoskeleton. So children, exoskeleton means the skeleton outside the body. So snail have exoskeleton. Okay, the snail has a soft body. जो snake है snail है, उसकी बॉडी कैसी होती है? सॉफ्ट होती है. एंड अ थिक फ्लैट मस्कुलर फुट. इसके पास क्या होता है? एक मस्कुलर फुट होता है. उसी फुट की वजह से ये क्या करता है? मूव कर पाता है. The foot has strong muscles which help it to glide. The shell is dragged along with the body. The shell has an opening from which the head and foot come out. Okay children? So children, this much for today's class. Thank you.